Pistons in the trunk. I'm trying to blow these motherfuckers out. Get her in the car and let the bitch feel it. She say something, turn it up louder. I don't wanna hear shit, bitch, shut your mouth. I'm trying to blow these motherfucking speakers out. That's what I do. I got so much bass in my motherfucking sound. I'm trying to blow these motherfuckers out.
Oh, there's some, oh, it went right for the Michael Jackson ABC 123. It always does that because I have like Michael Jackson greatest hits in here, and ABC 123 is like as first as you can get in a song title. So that shit. Do any of you guys have like everything in your iPad or your iPhone, and that happens to be in there and it comes up every single time as soon as you turn it on? Jeez Louise. Okay, so what I have right here, this is on Tidal. This is some copyright free, and I don't know if I should play this for very long either, because there was a time on YouTube where I downloaded and used some copyright free stuff on Spotify. It said copyright free all over it. I was like, oh man, that beat's going for it. That beat's slapping. And then I used it, and the fucking guy hit me up later and was like, you need to pay me or I'm gonna report you and take it down or whatever. Like, he wanted me to pay him for using his self-titled copyright, so it could be a trick. So be careful out there if you guys are using copyright, something that says copyright free. Make sure that it really is. So needless to say, I didn't want to give him the satisfaction. I went in there and you can like mute sections of a video, and I took what I used out of him and I left the video up and I took his stupid song out of there. So I'm just more cautious now. If I put Gunwalk in here and it doesn't slap, I'm gonna change it though. I don't think I've ever heard that song before. Gunwalk?
I'm strapped up the fucking gun now. See me walking with a limp, that's my gun walk. I don't do no arguing, I let the gun talk. Yeah, I'm strapped up the fucking gun now. See me walking with a limp, that's my gun walk. I don't do no.
Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Oh, do you guys want to hear some copyright free stuff that I can let run for a little bit? Or do you want to go into some of the classics? I'm watching the comments right now to see what you say. I know that I probably missed about 1,000 of them, and I'm sorry. I'm over here talking Michael Jackson, Smooth Criminal. I don't know about that song. Dirty Diana would probably be something a little bit closer to, if you want to hear something slap. Okay, now, first person Jeezy, put on. Oh my God. Okay, so you guys can stop with the comments for a sec. Well, you don't have to stop with the comments, but we're going right to some Jeezy, put on, because my man right there has good taste. So I'm gonna have to press pause and fast forward and talk. Like right now, that's already too much. I mean, like 5 seconds of that, and you could get in trouble. Not in trouble, but they'll demonetize you or whatever. And It's just bad, but we'll go into some bass. Hold on a second. To be honest, I don't even know if I've ever played this song in here. That's a damn shame. Okay, I'm gonna back that up a little bit. I'm having trouble holding this tripod up, you guys. It's on the attach. I have no idea what it sounds. Oh man. Oh shit. Great. It's nicking my windshield. I got pits in the windshield, you guys. Look, I'll show them to you. Damn it. Those are pits from my camera mount rubbing against the windshield just now. God damn it. So we're gonna have to like figure out something else here. All right, you guys, I'm gonna head inside and chill for a minute. Just remember, whenever I'm playing hooky at home, we can do this. We'll run through some songs and have a good time. All right, I'm out of here.